Welcome to my review of the Kbear Lark, a budget kind of market 1BA 1DD. Mine is the grey version, and mine is also the one with a 4K peak. The ones by the time you'll probably see this video, if you order one, won't have that peak. It's just this is an earlier one, and yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. It's quite premium and a bit better than the actual KS2. So mine's a light grey, no mic. There's the specs, so it's a 0.78 2-pin. There's 20 Hz to 20 kHz, that's just what they look like. 106 decibels sensitivity and an impedance of 16 ohms. These in reality are very easy to power, like no issues. And yeah, this is what the actual contents look like. That kind of finish. Really nice for the price, I can't deny. It's a really nice presentation. So let's just open the lid. Yeah, so mine is the grey one. It looks like it's like polished metal and then like a clear coat over the top. But it is very nice. And as you can see, accessories are in the left. And actually comes with a nice case, which I'll show you in a second. I will take them out so you can see. So a quick user guide, which is in English and Chinese. Super short with warranty card information there. Some QR codes. Say Chinese this side. Just quickly get through them. And it comes with 2 sets of tips, which is quite good. So you've got that pair, and then you've got this kind of white pair, which I'll show you in a second. Well, more kind of a clear one. So good that comes with actually 2 sets of tips, which is great for this. For the price range of the Lark. Comes with a silver cable, kind of reminiscent a little bit to like KZ's, but it's quite nice. I think for the price, nothing to really shout about. It does say R and L. The ear guides work fine, builds fine, right angle connector, and it says the brand Kbear. And not much to say really for what you get for the price. It's fine. Kind of has a KZ CCA feel, and I've got nothing to complain about for the price. It's all good, and that's the actual case as well. That's what I did not know it actually came with one, so that was quite a pleasant surprise. It is quite good. Zipper one, quite nice to be honest. Good surprise. And yeah, straight into the review really. These have a neutral to brightish presentation. So getting to comfort. Comfort is good. These are really small. It just say L and R on each, so you know which is left or right. As you can see in the light, it's like it's a metal then with like a clear coat or a lacquer on the top. But the sound, so they do have mid bass and sub bass. It's quite a bit leaner compared to like the KS2 from themselves. So it does have bass when it's needed, but these aren't bass heads. So but they do have more of a neutral-ish tuning, which is perfectly fine really. Build quality is good, as you can see as well on the actual nozzle. It helps keep the tips on. Mids, again, quite good really. Not much to say about. They do seem to have a boost towards the upper mids, which makes vocals more forward, which tends to be quite common. Not too bad really, and also treble's fine, no real issues. It does have a slightly brighter signature to it, but also mine have that 4K peak, which is probably contributes a little bit towards that. But yeah, for the actual overall sound, it's kind of balanced to like a bright tuning. Stage was fine, imaging was fine as well. Super easy to power. Isolation was okay. As an overall sound for the price range, I think these are good. I think these are better than the KS2, which had more of a V-shape sound. These are less V-shaped, but I like that the bass is quite fast because there's not that much of it. It's a little bit of a leaner low end. So the bass is quite quick. Good details considering it's only a 1BA. A nice crossover implementation. from what I could tell. So yeah, good crossover. They spread it between two drivers was quite good really. So yeah, it's a good model for the budget range. So yeah, this is just a short review really. For the price, they perform quite well. This does have, say, like I've said, a 4K peak, but by the time you probably buy one of these from a retailer, from AliExpress or whatever, they won't have that. Really nice fit, finish, accessories, packaging, good two tips, cable's fine, comes with a case. Yeah, they've done a good job for the price range. It's really hard to say anything bad. It's a shame they didn't come with if they didn't have the 4K peak from the start, but I think that's it really. Just a short video, and thanks for watching. Take care. See you soon.